Okay, all right. So I'm sure you are familiar with Fahrenheit, Celsius before. 32-degree Fahrenheit is so the freezing point of water, which is 0 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius, that's a boiling point of water, is equal to 212 Fahrenheit. Okay, I'm not gonna get to the much detail here, but there's a few things I want to point out. First of all, you can see that the Fahrenheit scale is much larger than a Celsius. Start out at negative 460, go all the way to 212 Fahrenheit. But in degrees Celsius, negative 273, go up to just 100. So Fahrenheit is actually the big scale, much longer scale than Celsius. Okay, and Kelvin and Celsius are really similar. The scale are exactly the same. So the gap right here, 100 degrees. The gap right here, 100 degrees between boiling point and the freezing point. Right? To absolute zero, so negative 273, negative 273 degrees. So Kelvin and Celsius are different in only 273 degrees apart. That's all. Okay. All right. So your job is to use this formula. You can write it onto the exam or when you take the quiz, so don't memorize it. Okay. All you have to do is to be able to use this formula to convert one temperature to another. So this one Celsius to Fahrenheit, right? So plug in Celsius here, you get Fahrenheit. Plug Fahrenheit here, you get to Celsius, all right? And plug in Celsius here to get to Kelvin, all right? If you still remember, go back right here. So the difference between Celsius and Kelvin is 273 degrees apart, right? It's actually 273.15 degrees apart. But for our class, just use 273. That's enough. You don't need to use 0.15. Just keep things simple. Okay. All right. So let's say if you go to a business trip at Brussels, Belgium. Okay. You hear a weather forecast predicting a high temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? Should you take a jacket with you when you leave the hotel? Okay, is it cold or hot weather? All right, 15 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, to convert degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, we have this. You need to know which formula, which equation you can use. Okay, plug in Celsius here, times 9 divided by 5 plus 32, you get Fahrenheit. Right? I'm sure you can do it on your own. So just show you how to do it. 59 degrees. That's it. So pretty cool. You probably need a jacket here. Okay. All right. So we have a class activity number 2. Question 1, question 2, question 3. Show me your work. Now show me your work, and I have the answer right here. All right. Okay. Are we done with chapter 2? Let's take a look. I'll see you on chapter 3. Okay.